Hey guys, how's it going? I received a postcard in the mail today. My immediate attention is required, and it's a check for hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's from a man named Ryan. The check for almost $400,000 just has a first name, Ryan. And yeah, it's for a cash offer that he wants to buy my house at a discount. And you know, a lot of people are doing these days. They're looking to buy your house. There's Open Door, there's Zillow, there's regular real estate agents, there's regular people. And they're all trying to buy your house at a discount, okay? So hello and welcome to our latest deep dive into Portland real estate. As a principal real estate broker and investor myself, I believe real estate is still the single best way to achieve financial independence, okay? So if you want to learn more about becoming financially independent through real estate, this is my new channel, the Portland Property Channel. February 2024, please like, comment, subscribe, so I will promise to stay consistent if you do. So today we're tackling a provocative question. Why should you resist the temptation of those quick cash offers on your home? Okay, we're going to dissect the downsides of impromptu real estate deals and how you can maximize your financial gain by playing your cards right. But before we jump into specifics, let's quickly define real estate wholesalers and also set the stage for why investing in your own home before selling is your best bet for a richer tomorrow. Okay, stick around. Real estate wholesalers, okay? A quick overview. Let's talk things off by unpacking the term real estate wholesalers. Okay, imagine intermediaries who are in the business of bargain hunting for homes. Okay, they don't actually buy your home though, or property. Instead, they get it under contract and they hustle to find someone who will, often for a steep markup. So these wholesalers are searching for a quick turnaround and their chief appeal is speed over price, okay? So while selling your home to a wholesaler can certainly be swift, it's crucial to understand that the speed comes with a cost. Usually the cost is your potential profit, all right? So why sell for less when your home could be worth so much more? The lure of instant cash. It's a temptation. It's fast cash versus true value. Why avoid speaking to these quick buy agents? Well, first there's the lure of instant cash. It's powerful, especially if you're in a financial pinch or you need to move quickly. But here's the catch. These offers are typically below market value, sometimes shockingly so. So wholesalers have mastered the art of persuasion, making a quick close and cash in hand sound like the deal of a lifetime. You know, it's easy to be swayed when dollar bills are like flashing before your eyes. But remember, this is usually about their profit, not your financial gain. And you will likely see your house on the market for markedly more in a very short period of time. Potential pitfalls of selling to wholesalers. So understanding the risks, why wholesalers might not be your best bet. Stepping into the pitfalls, it's clear to see why speaking to these buyers is risky, okay? Wholesalers generally prioritize their margin, which means they're always hunting for a steal, not a fair deal. Okay, they're in the game to buy low, sell high, and your home is just another commodity. Okay, so what's more, these transactions can carry hidden complexities and serious legal implications. So a lack of transparency and rushed agreements can often lead to seller's remorse once you realize the true cost of that easy sale. Instead of selling yourself short, why not invest a little into boosting your home's value, okay? Simple renovations and improvements can make a big difference, okay? Look at these before and after pictures. Here's an outside, here's an inside. These improvements can make a substantial difference to what buyers are willing to pay. Updating a bathroom, just a fresh coat of paint, gosh, color is so powerful. I love to add certain colors. Or landscaping the front yard, it could exponentially increase your home's market value and reduce your market time. So by taking the time to enhance your home before listing, you elevate its appeal and your profit margin, ensuring you're not selling just a house, but a lifestyle. You know, so we want to have the broadest lifestyle we can project onto the market so that we can find the most buyers. So as much as real estate agents have been taking a lot of flack recently, forget fast cash, okay? Let's talk about maximize your earnings, and that's what realtors can help you do. So listing your home on the market with the help of an experienced real estate broker, it exposes the home to a large, broad range of potential buyers, more than you're going to do on your own. So that leads to competition, which can lead to better offers, and if priced and negotiated correctly, perhaps a bidding war. Okay, everyone wants that, which could significantly drive up the sales price. So if you price it, prepare it, and market it properly, you can do that. Okay, and wrapping up, selling your home for a quick cash offer might seem convenient, but it's often a shortcut to undervaluation and regret. Real estate wholesalers like Open Door and increasingly more real estate agents are offering you cash for your home. All these parties typically aim to capitalize on your need for speed or take advantage of you, but a little patience and strategy on your part can reap huge financial rewards. So with the right direction, you can invest in the value of your property, harness the power of the market, and you will surely discover that the best offers don't come from those looking to close a deal quickly, but from buyers who are willing to see the true value of your home.